I'm back for another DJI NEO video, this time to check out a carrying case sent to me by FLYMILE for me to review. I wasn't really sure which case was sent to me, so let's do a quick unboxing. So we have here a bigger carrying case. I guess this will be for the FLYMILE combo. There it is. It has custom fit for the remote controller, the drone, and the batteries. You can also fit the charging hub. Seems like it only has room for M3 controller and not the RC2. Anyway, there are extra spaces for more batteries. So this is really a carry-all in one bag kind of case. Let's now unbox the smaller boxes. This one is a bright orange case. And by the size of it, this should only carry the drone and 2 extra batteries. Looks great. Let's open the third box. This should be the same as the second, but now it comes in black. Back to the gray FLYMILE combo case. Within the inner part of the cover, there is a storage space. Unzip it and actually, you have the strap. I did not notice this earlier. I guess this one slot is where you fit your power adapter. Okay, it can fit 6 batteries including the one already installed on the drone. Since you also have a storage space on the cover, you can use it for your ND filters or so. Moving on, let's check out the strap. I guess with the strap, this can now be a shoulder bag. It does look cool and this should be good to carry around. The thing that I would have wished is that it had provision for RC2. Well, maybe, FLYMILE may have another product that can fit RC2. Or maybe not. But this is really a good quality case. I believe it can protect DJI NEO even if you drop it on a solid ground. It's thick enough and should not cause harm to the drone. And the smaller case is very light at only 22 grams. The bigger case is 30 grams heavier at 52 grams. Still light enough. Let's also check out the material. The handle has nice, soft, and rubbery texture. This should prevent slipping out of your hands. The zipper feels like it's made of quality material and doesn't stuff. Again, the inside storage has the same zipper quality. And the netted storage should be able to protect its contents, especially if you keep your extra propellers here, and the propeller screwdriver. It also has the strap, which I missed to mention when I unboxed. This is a good addition, especially if you want to just strap the case across your body for easy carry. With the size of this case, it can easily fit your luggage when you're traveling. So that's it. Which case would you prefer? Check out the description and find the link where you can buy this case. Safe flight everyone, see you on the next.